Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get 1000 free credits on Manus.ai. So to receive the free credits, simply create a new Manus.ai account and sign in. Once you are on the main page, look at the upper right corner beside your profile icon. You should see your current credit balance displayed there. Hover your mouse over the credit number and a small window will appear showing your plan and available credits. And then new accounts receive 1000 free credits, which you can use for different tasks inside Manus AI. The number of credits used will only depend on the type of task that you run. And after using the starting credits, Manus AI also provides daily refresh credits, so the free balance can refresh up to 300 credits each day and allowing you to continue using the platform without immediately upgrading to a paid plan. And that is how you can get 1000 free credits on Manus AI by creating a new account. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.